Hey folks, it's Sydney from LangChain, and I'm super excited to share with you our next middleware demo for our to-do list middleware. Did you know you're 42% more likely to achieve a goal if you write it down? Turns out, agents actually benefit from the same. Agents equipped with a to-do list often perform better when given complex tasks. In fact, you might have already seen this in action with coding agents like Claude Code that draft a to-do list and continuously update it throughout a conversation. First, let's talk a little bit about the anatomy of a to-do. A to-do item has content, that's the task to be done, and then a status, which can be one of pending, in progress, or completed. Why are to-do lists helpful for agents? Well, first of all, to-do lists help agents break down complex tasks into actionable steps. Those actionable steps often correspond to tool calls. To-do lists also help provide increased engagement with the end user. The user can get insight into agent behavior and next steps, and this provides opportunities for potential interrupts or human guidance and rerouting in the agent lifecycle. It's nice for an end user to see progress visibility. It gives this illusion of lower latency, and agents can also adapt and change their to-do lists as new real-time info comes in. Let's take a quick look at the code we're going to use for this demo. So we are building a software development assistant agent that has access to two tools, a create file tool and a run command tool. Additionally, we pass it this middleware arg with the to-do list middleware, which behind the scenes passes it access to a third tool, which is the write to-dos tool. And we'll see that in action in Studio. When we add this to-do list middleware, we also, under the hood, influence the system prompt that's passed to the model. So not only is it informed that it's a software development assistant, we'll also tell it a little bit more about the write to-dos tool and how it can use it. All right, so now we're in Studio. We can see our classic model and tool calling loop that builds our fundamental agent. And let's kickstart our software development agent with a simple prompt asking it to create hello and goodbye scripts, make them executable, and verify that they exist. So I'll kick it off here. Great, we can see that the agent has completed, and the final message indicates that the scripts have been created. We can see the final call to the write to do tool resulted in a list of all of these to-dos with status of complete. Let's take a look at the trace view for some more insight. All right, so this view shows us all of the iterations between model and tool calls. We can see the model has alternated calling tools like the write to-dos tool, the create file tool, and also the run command tool. If we look at the final response from the model, we can get additional information. So we see those three tools are available. We can also see the system prompt, which first has the software development assistant information, and then also has this added information about how to use the write to-dos tool. Finally, if we look at that final response, we see the successful report that the scripts were created and are now executable. This has been a brief overview of the LangChain to-do list middleware. Thanks.